Hello and welcome to English Story TV, the YouTube channel and podcast that is designed to help you improve your English. I'm your host, Emily, and today's video is about one of the most delightful fruits you can find in the supermarket, strawberries. Not only are they juicy, sweet and delicious, but they also have a fascinating history and some really interesting facts associated with them. First, let's start with a bit of history. Strawberries have been enjoyed by people for thousands of years. Wild varieties were popular in ancient Rome for their medicinal properties. Imagine, long ago, people using strawberries to help with everything from digestive problems to skin issues. However, the garden strawberry, which is most common today, was first bred in France in the 18th century. This new variety was created by crossing a North American strawberry and a Chilean one. It was a real international effort to bring us the sweet red fruit we enjoy today. Now let's talk about how strawberries grow. Strawberries are quite unique because they are one of the only fruits to wear their seeds on the outside, about 200 of them per berry actually. They grow from a flowering plant in the rose family, which might explain why they're as pretty as they are delicious. Each strawberry plant produces runners, which are long shoots where new plants can grow. This means a single plant can spread out and create a whole patch of strawberries. Farmers often grow strawberries in fields, and they can also be grown in gardens or even in containers at home. Moving on to the health benefits, strawberries are not just tasty, they're also very good for you. They are packed with vitamins, especially vitamin C, which is important for your immune system, helping you fight off colds and other illnesses. They're also a great source of dietary fibre, which is good for digestion, and they contain high levels of antioxidants, which can help keep your body healthy. Let's get practical and talk about how to pick the perfect strawberry when you're at the store or the market. You want to look for berries that are bright red and firm, with a shiny surface. The leaves should be fresh and green. Avoid strawberries that are dull in colour or have soft spots and bruises. These tips will help you choose the best and freshest strawberries. Once you've got your strawberries, you might be wondering about the best ways to keep them fresh. Strawberries are quite delicate and can spoil quickly. The best way to store them is in the refrigerator, ideally in a single layer on a paper towel in an open container. This method helps avoid moisture buildup, which can lead to mould. And here's a tip. Only wash strawberries right before you eat them, not before storing them, as the extra moisture can make them spoil faster. Now, speaking of eating strawberries, there are countless ways to enjoy them. You can eat them fresh, of course, which is always a delight. They also make a great topping for cereal or yogurt. For a tasty treat, you could try making a strawberry smoothie or strawberry ice cream. Strawberries also go well in salads, adding a sweet touch to a savoury dish. And let's not forget about desserts. Strawberry shortcake, strawberry pie, and even strawberry jam are all delicious ways to use this versatile fruit. For those of you interested in growing your own strawberries, it's quite rewarding and not as difficult as you might think. You can grow strawberries in your garden, or even in pots on a balcony or patio if you don't have a lot of space. They need plenty of sunlight, so make sure they are in a sunny spot. Water them regularly, but be careful not to overwater, as too much water can harm the plants. Finally, let's end with some fun facts about strawberries. Did you know that strawberries are the first fruit to ripen in the spring? Or that the largest strawberry ever recorded was about the size of an apple? Imagine biting into that. Strawberries are also unique in that they are a symbol of perfection and love in some cultures. They are often used in artworks and literature to represent sweetness and perfect nature. I hope you've enjoyed learning all about strawberries as much as I enjoyed sharing these facts with you. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to leave a comment down below. See you next time.